is here! The champ is here!
Let me make sure I can see what I'm doing here via my phone. All right, so this takes a T15. We're gonna go in, and on this star bolt, there's 2 star bolts on the holding this thing up. So, if you can see what I'm saying, that is the filter. It used to be covered up by a whole bunch of stuff. Now this used to be right here.
Bruh.
This whole entire thing was covered up like that. So, I've seen some people remove like some of it, but I just went ahead and removed all of it, you know? Just wanted to remove all of it, get it out of there. So, as you see, back to that. So everything is removed, like I said. I messed up last night because on this, I did not put it back on correctly. So, let's try to do that. You have to have this ledge, or this edge is supposed to hook up to the inside of here. Now I'm trying to get this for you guys because literally last night I recorded this on the GoPro and then realized that all of the footage was the camera angle was like pointed straight up in the air. So now that it's back on and I got it back on, I noticed it last night because it had a gap. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back on here.
A few moments later.
I actually went ahead, can't tell if you can see, but I went ahead and I cut out this entire obstruction as well. So now it's literally just a big hole. There's none of, I don't like, I wasn't a big fan of how much restriction there was in the little fins or whatever. So I actually completely got rid of them. And as you can see from here, you can see the actual filter. Air should just go straight in to the chamber. A lot quicker airflow. So I'm gonna take a quick ride, see if we can tell a difference, if I can tell a difference. And we're just gonna take a quick short, I say a short ride. Just gonna go down the way where I can get a little stretch, hit a little stretch. This is what you got to deal with, man. Does she need to back all the way up? Back up and give her some room. Yo, this is the shit you got to deal with in San Antonio, bro. This shit is bad, son. See if you can see in there. I gotta clean it up, but there's no restrictions no more, man. There's absolutely no more restrictions. It's on there tight. All right, let's head back.